You say make a wait, girl, I go wait. So whenever you're ready, just
So I don't hear that song right now from the world famous Solid Star in the building. Yeah, Solid Star in the building. Solid!
Get there.
Yeah,
That
that. Oh God, God, I need to relocate another clapping.
That clap now for everybody.
You know, so you be working in Sambalaba. You should know Sambalaba.
Exactly.
You, I was supposed to shine you one for international place and not be a name, but I know go fit. You know why?
Why?
Because we don't know if Solid is the carryable entity.
No, Solid is carried. Solid is carried.
Then for that reason, shine out one more clap for the international. Yeah, that for those of now, people don't talk anyhow. Just the flow, give me flow. Solid in the building, solid is the eye they
Oh, everything nice.
I look your tattoo still dey fresh. You get some artists for this industry, their tattoo don't come out for their body. Go hunger.
If I ultimate, what time when you want Solid? I don't know what name. I want Solid say. From the last time I see, I ask you one good. I don't know. I remember I say I won't be like your shape. Say how I go take what I eat. You can't tell me how you maintain the diet, how you I want to ask, after like over a year, you still be the same shit. you get energy, oh, this guy.
I'm going to really tell you how I take help him out.
You get energy,
because for Germany, now they are the gym. In Germany.
For Germany.
Go come up for here, go Germany. Now my way of life be that. For Germany, now when I did the gym, now somebody call me, say you get one of them bro from Africa. You don't even know that I come from Africa. I come for that gym now. I brought guys and top stars.
And foreign guys.
Yeah,
big boys.
I
know the matter now.
How you go? So when now that your brother now Kenny Papa then say I get one of my brother for West Africa. He dey do big stuff.
Like I carry my matter for you.
Yeah, so he don't mad. I don't like this like game. You don't give me a dick. I don't worry. I don't tire for that. Let me finish my life before you fall. Guys, I'm very sorry. Sorry that cut off that line, so I cannot conclude it. But in a nutshell, for English, we say it's small. Baba, clear us. What is the matter right now? You understand? We know that you get very recent fresh work where you want to do. But so far so good. How you feel say your work done for this Nigerian industry?
So far so good. The boy done there for a very long time now, and it's still there. You understand? And kudos to Achievers Music. Kudos to all the team.
Yes, because
understand. Big ups to C. Big ups to everybody pushing Solid Star's job. You know, understand? Not be smart, you know. And but right now I get wait. I don't drop the song for like the original version feature Davido.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah, and that song like trust me, man. I don't know, say that song will go like that. You understand? So the song really do well, and I just feel say, man, we still need to, do remix of the song. Make the song still scatter here. Just end there. You understand? So I just do remix of the song featuring Tiwa Savage and Pato Ranking. So the matter we did now. So and I'm birthday now. We'll run today. And my Oga birthday too. OC. You understand?
Hey, our Oga. OC. Don't forget, say you've been there. You know everything about that. You know everything about that.
So Solid, as he carried Tiwa Savage and Pato Ranking join for this, and the same producer will produce it.
Yeah, like the same.
No, because that producer for don't write Solid though.
You know, say this.
Say you take my original work and do it with other original.
You know that these days big artists like Solid Star, once they bring out song, the video done already. How about this one? The video done already.
Yeah, the both of them, Tiwa know they're around now.
Okay.
So immediately she come back, they shoot the video sharp and
because we know as they drop song for audio, they drop videos.
Sharp. Now video be the cocoa banana.
Drop the video, make you follow up. So okay, well we'll go play the song now. We hear now. Wait, of course. Now don't hear the original before. This one, Tiwa Savage inside Pato Ranking birthday boy inside this one.
This one na global premiere.
Of course.
Na global premiere. That is today night. Not be today the thing drop.
Today they drop.
Premiere.
Sorry, premiere. Na today. Sorry,
na today they drop. Na the first time when I
go hear for radio stations all over the world, because even that Germany where we film from meet wey cause problem, they never hear am. No other station for this nation wey be the blessed up station don't hear am apart from Nigeria FM 102.7. After if I say we dey hot, we go say our Kododo, we dey talk anyhow. I don't know.
Well, when I fit ask Solid Star question, we'll give a number to call. Falan, I don't say some of like I go say don't do what I hear from.
No, you need to holler back at Solid Star.
So the number to call very easy is 0700 1000 102 0700 1102. If you also tweet your question, if you know if you call at Naija
On
102
Facebook,
FM, then we day at Naija 102 FM for Twitter. For Facebook, just enter facebook.com/102.7 Naija FM. Ask Solista any question we get, go answer when we don't come back. But we need to take the song now. Wait, the remix Solista featuring Tiwa Savage and Pato Ranking. First time we did it down inside New Literature and for Naija FM 102.7 in the air. Enjoy this great episode. We come back.
You say make a wait, girl, I go wait. So whenever you're ready, just